Hi traders! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to place and manage a pending order on the XM app. Pending orders let you set the price at which you want your trade to be executed, giving you more control over your entries. Start by finding the symbol you want to trade. Tap Buy to open the order screen, then click on Buy when price is. This sets up your pending order. Here you can enter the price at which you want your order executed, adjust the quantity, or lots if needed. To view or edit your pending orders, tap the trades icon. Orange shows your pending orders, blue your open positions, or simply go to the trade section and select pending orders. To change a pending order, tap Modify Order, update the price, and hit Save. Pending orders can be set as good until cancelled. This means your order stays active until the date and time you choose or until you manually cancel it. If it's not executed by then, it will be automatically cancelled. Using pending orders helps you plan your trades in advance without having to monitor the market constantly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.